What's up, you guys? It's me, African Radiance, but you can call me Jazz. So I have decided to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go to the gym. I'm so sorry about this lighting. I'm sorry, it's still early. I got up at like 5, did my morning reading. I was gonna film my intro in the house, but child, I was just moving. Today I decided to do a full day of self-care. So me waking up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, it was kind of destined. It was kind of meant to be. And I really just want to show y'all what my self-care day really is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe please, because like I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. Not going to even lie to y'all. I haven't been to the gym in forever. And it beat me. It beat me today. Okay. I almost wanted to cry. I literally did the bare minimum, not gonna even lie. Like, normally when I get back in the gym, I try to start where I left off, and I'm slowly remembering that that's not how this works. That's not how this works. Gym kicks my butt, but I feel good. Honestly, when it comes down to it, like I said before, like when it comes down to the gym, I really want to pick up where I left off, no matter the time, like the break from the gym. And it doesn't work like that. Like, I haven't been to the gym in weeks. The very last time I went to the gym, all I did was run on the treadmill, and like I literally like wiped myself out. But going back into the gym and trying to actually do more and do what I would normally do in the gym, it kind of whooped my butt, because like the whole time I'm doing it, I'm just like, oh my gosh, like why is this so hard? This was never this hard for me, like ever. There plenty of times before where like I have took a long break, like, or when I stopped working out and I'm like, you know what, I can start back working out, and then like it don't be as bad. But it was bad today. It made me feel like I never worked out a day in my life. Like I low-key felt like I didn't even know what I was doing. I don't like that feeling. That feeling, I kind of feel defeated, but I'm gonna give myself credit because I went and I still, you know, like I tried to push through. I didn't even record no more. Like I just did a little something, and then the rest I just did off camera, because like I was low-key, wasn't like embarrassed, because like we all go through it, but like I don't know, I kind of felt like defeated. I was like, you know what? I think I showed y'all enough. So that's how I was feeling. But bro, like the little bit that I did do, I'm hurting a little bit. I know that I lost weight, but those gym, I don't know if it's the gym mirrors or body dysmorphia, because I swear I was hella skinnier than what I originally thought I was. I don't know. I know I lost weight. I lost like 30 pounds. Well, I gained like, I think I gained about 7 back. I just didn't really do anything. Like my weight is weird. When I looked in the mirror, it really kind of like lowered my self-esteem. I mean, I've always been skinny. I have always been skinny, but to see myself that skinny, this skinny, I mean, like, I don't know, like I don't feel like healthy, which I'm really not. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm really not healthy. I don't have the right amount of nutrients throughout the day, the right amount of protein throughout the day. I do not do the things that I used to do. So I really wouldn't consider myself in the best shape anyways. I'm just glad I went. I mean, I'm not gonna poison my day because my workout didn't go like I planned. To see progress, you know, you have to have consistency. So I'm gonna keep going. So yeah, this is the life. I'm trying to be quiet because some people are still sleeping. So right now, I am just gonna make myself a quick little breakfast. Basically, I'm just gonna show y'all my throughout the day process when it comes down to like a full self-care day. For me, it's really not just about, you know, face masks and a deep shower routine or nothing like that. I mean, those things are important to me, very important, but I am thinking overall mental self-care, emotional self-care, and I am going to expose a little of that. I'm going to give that, you know, give a piece of myself. Show y'all, you know, I'm gonna be a little vulnerable today. It's just one of those days, honestly. And I just want to show y'all my process. I feel like things like this is important to share because it like brings comfort to me, honestly. Giving myself love, allowing myself to feel things, allowing myself to go through the process. We'll get to that. Yeah. Well, look kind of strong. I mean, I'm never gonna skip. Stop. It's all right. One day. Breakfast was pretty good. If you guys want to know what I'm reading right now, I am reading One Day My Soul Just Opened Up by Iyanla. I'm sorry. Iyanla Vanzant. This right here. And this is what she looks like. Y'all have seen her. That is a pretty name, Iyanla. I know you've seen her show, Iyanla Face My Life. She has become so many memes all over the internet. That woman there has a way with words. That woman there has a way with words, okay? Like, this is 40 days and 40 nights towards spiritual strength and personal growth. I actually really like this. What I really like about it is that it's a day-to-day kind of thing. What I really love about it is that you can journal in it. That's what I really like. She has different, you know, topics, I guess, to like help you. Today's topic, what was today's? Today's topic was willingness. That was day 5. Now, mind you, I'm gonna be honest. She said it in the beginning of the book, like, you're not, you know, you might not do this on a day-to-day. You might, you know, do it, leave it, come back to it, and that's kind of how I've been. Also, it is definitely a day and night. So you have the morning time, then she gives you an affirmation, and then they have the evening journal, the evening part, and then day 6. You know, I kind of wanted to share the affirmation that she wrote in here. It's morning willingness affirmation. I am willing to be still. I am willing to trust the divine presence within me. I am willing to trust the divine in the stillness of my thoughts. I am willing to trust the divine with the secrets of my heart. I am willing to trust the divine with the essence of my life force, my spirit.
I am willing to hear the voice of the divine. I am willing to know the will of the divine. I am willing to surrender myself to the presence of the divine. I know that the divine force of life cares for me, speaks to me, loves me, and protects me. For that, I am grateful, and so it is. I be in and out when it comes to this book, but it's not because I don't like it. It's honestly, for me, it's a process. It's a processing type of book. Because when I say this woman, this beautiful black woman is gonna put you out. And I thought she tell it like it is on TV shows. Like, this book, like, bro, this book calls me out so bad. What I like to do once I read, I like to sit on things. I like to sit on things and just, like, because she says so much. And with the day-to-day, it's literally 2 pages, like 2 to 3 pages, maybe 4, but, like, she says so much. Get it. I'm telling you, it's nice. It's really, 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 really nice. Gosh, the relateness I have. I'm only 23, and it kind of makes me want to cry. I'm only 23, man. I'm only 23, and I mean, like, life, the harsh reality of life doesn't have an age limit. But God, oh my gosh. But, like, dang, I'm only 23, like, and it because, like, bro, I got a long way to go. Like, this is literally just the beginning for me. And that's the pill that I am struggling to swallow, man. Like, oh, see, she did it to me. She does it to me. It's hard. I feel pretty good though today. Like, this is not something I do on a regular. Well, this is not something I do every day, but I try to make it a regular thing. But boy, oh boy, I'm shaking right now. So I'm gonna sit on that. I'm gonna take this shower.
Take some gummy vitamins. These are the Vita Fusion Gorgeous Hair Skin Nails. They say for you to take 3, but I only be taking 2 because as you can see, they almost gone. Like, I really be taking them. I feel good. I'm not gonna lie, like, my energy has shot up a little bit. I feel pretty nice. I was just editing a little bit and just been chilling. A little bit of scrolling on Instagram and TikTok, but for the majority of the time, I've been editing. But right now, I'm in the mood for painting. Painting is very therapeutic to me, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, real quick, I just wanted to show you guys my painting. This is her. I am not a painter. I just do this for fun. But I like it. I like it. I'm gonna give y'all a close up. I mean, I ain't got the best details, but I'm gonna give y'all a close up. Yeah. I was just painting what I felt. And this was it. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my painting for you guys to see. Yeah.
So, I decided I'm going to do a little reading in the fields. It's kind of like, it's by this pond. I haven't did that in a hot minute, and I kind of want to do it today. I've been having such a good day.